Guys, this is a different kind of video than I normally do, and I didn't know how to start it. So I asked my beautiful, amazing, wonderful girlfriend, how should I begin such a video? So here goes nothing. Hey girlies, it's time for another unboxing. Clearly I had to speed things up a bit or this video would be about 5 hours long because I could not figure out how to get the box open. And hopefully I didn't accidentally show my address because I definitely don't want any of you to send me $1,000,000 check. Everything in this box comes from the same brand that makes that beautiful hat on top of my head, Stock Car Society. Everything he makes is kind of like a play on a different logo or a saying. I don't know, I think it's pretty cool. And these hats aren't like Bobo-ass quality either. I've worn that Raise Hell, Praise Dell hat to weddings, funerals, graduations, birthday parties, work, the bar, the casino. Hell, I'll probably wear it at my wedding. And you see me babbling there. I'm putting on a performance for the crowd of one that got to watch this live. Anyway, that Talladega hat I just threw to the wayside will probably get covered in puke one day. Here I am putting on the Make Cup Cars 1,000 horsepower again, and I think we all know what this hat is referring to. Now, pulling out the next one, it's white. And anybody that lives in a warm climate would know that that's kind of a recipe for disaster as far as sweat stains go. But if you're not living underneath a rock, Sunday Money was the name of Dale Earnhardt Sr.'s boat, which means big money. You could wear this hat and wear it to a nice dinner. And I'm not talking Olive Garden. Anyway, here comes the main reason I was originally drawn to this brand. Last year, my buddy got married in Alabama, so I was able to justify going to North Wilkesboro because, Alabama's like right next to North Carolina, right? But I needed a new hat to fit the, throwback vibe of North Wilkesboro Speedway, so that's how I landed on the Raise Hell, Praise Dell hat. And since then, it's basically never came off my head. Anyway, you guys saw that koozie. I'm not much of a koozie guy. Just ask my buddy, his wife, the inside of his truck, and the inside of his window in his truck. I'm more of a Tito's and Sprite kind of guy. But this t-shirt, it's soft like butter. I'll probably never see it again. My girlfriend will steal it from me. Here's another koozie. I'll probably give both of these to my buddy because, I still owe him for throwing up all over his truck. There's also a secret little stash of stickers inside of that koozie, which these might be the star of the show, to be honest with you. I would say probably every single one of these will end up on the back window of my truck very soon. Also, the paint on my hand, I put that there on purpose. Oh, wait, hold on. That's the best sticker right there. But yeah, I'm a painter. Usually I'm so good I don't get paint anywhere, so I had to put it purposely on me so people know I'm actually working. I wake up every morning and piss excellence. If you liked anything that you saw, go support my boy Hugh. He actually makes and sells all this shit out of his garage. He's just a cool dude trying to make enough money to go to the racetrack. You guys can head over to stockcarsociety.com or just click the link in my bio. And hopefully, I'll see everybody tomorrow for the Pocono Cup Series paint scheme review. See ya.